Hello and welcome. My name is Erin and I'm a wellness professional with Pneumatic Wellness. Today's guided meditation focuses on the intention of finding balance and creating balance in your life. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Slowly, gently closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths. Allowing your body and your mind to relax and become still. Continuing to bring your attention to breath, take a moment to observe the natural rhythm of your breath, the inhales and the exhales flowing in and out so effortlessly. As you continue to focus on your breath, bring to mind the various areas of your life that require balance. It could be your work, relationships, self-care, let's visualize these areas as different elements or part of a scale. See each element represented by a different weight or object on the scale. Now imagine adjusting the weights on that scale, finding the perfect balance between each element. See the scale becoming level and stable, with each aspect of your life receiving the attention and energy it deserves. As you find this balance, feel a sense of harmony and peace within you. Allow yourself to release any feelings of overwhelming imbalance. Know that you have the power to create equilibrium in your life. Allow yourself to feel harmony with the flow of life. Allow yourself to create balance in your life. Allow yourself to prioritize your well-being. Continue to focus on your breath, allowing each inhale to bring in a sense of balance, and each exhale to release any tension or resistance. Feel yourself becoming more centered and aligned with the present moment. As you embrace the practice of balance, feel a sense of calm and clarity growing within you, trusting in the process of finding that equilibrium and knowing that by nurturing all aspects of your life, you can experience a greater sense of fulfillment and joy. Embrace the power of equilibrium and prioritize self-care, your relationships, work, and other important aspects of your life. Find harmony within yourself and let it radiate into all areas of your life. Taking a few more deep breaths, allowing this energy of balance to integrate fully into your being. And when you are ready, gently opening your eyes and bringing your awareness back to the present moment.